Tiling work just got a whole lot easier with the Raimond EP Tiler Pad. Designed specifically for tilers, this sturdy rubber platform gives you a comfortable and reliable surface for cutting, drilling, and applying glue. No more struggling on uneven surfaces. This pad makes every task smoother and more efficient. Built to handle up to 75 kilograms, it provides a solid and stable work area. If the standard 660 by 60 centimeter size isn't big enough, you can connect multiple pads to create a larger workspace. The best part? Its flexible legs can withstand tough tools like diamond discs, so you don't have to worry about damage. At $145, it's a smart investment for professionals who want better comfort, efficiency, and durability on the job. Whether you're installing tiles in a small room or a large project, the Raimond EP Tiler Pad helps you work faster, safer, and with less effort. Rigid PTC 400. Need a powerful and easy-to-carry pipe cutter? The Rigid PTC 400 is built for the job. Weighing just 14 kilograms, it's compact and light enough to carry with one hand, making it a perfect tool for professionals on the move. This cutter isn't just about convenience. It delivers serious cutting power. It easily slices through plastic and metal pipes up to 116 millimeters in diameter. If you're working with stainless steel, it can handle wall thicknesses of up to 2.5 millimeters. Plus, it's designed for pipes up to 6 meters long, giving you the flexibility to tackle different jobs without limitations. What makes the PTC 400 stand out is its combination of portability, precision, and durability. Whether you're working on plumbing, construction, or industrial projects, this tool helps you get the job done quickly and efficiently. Roll Profi Mini Lift. Moving heavy cable drums can be a real challenge, but the Roll Profi Mini Lift makes it so much easier. This smart lifting system can handle up to 4 tons and drums as large as 1.6 meters in diameter, taking the hard work off your crew's shoulders. Setting it up is a breeze. It takes just minutes, and you don't need electricity, hydraulics, or any complicated tools. Just bring it to the site, set it up, and you're good to go. No more struggling with heavy loads or wasting time on difficult setups. Designed for efficiency and convenience, the Mini Lift helps workers get the job done faster and with less effort. It's built to make lifting and moving large drums simple, reducing strain and increasing productivity. Ruggy, the alarm that gets you moving. If hitting snooze is your morning habit, Ruggy is here to change that. This smart alarm clock is actually a soft rug, and the only way to turn it off is by stepping on it with both feet for at least 3 seconds. No more snoozing and rolling back to sleep. What makes Ruggy even more effective is its powerful built-in speaker, blasting up to 120 decibels, much louder than standard alarms. You won't be able to ignore it. But don't worry, waking up isn't all bad. The mat is designed with ultra-soft memory foam, making your first step of the day surprisingly comfortable. At $82, Ruggy is perfect for anyone who struggles to get out of bed on time. Some people suggest a budget alternative, just placing your phone far from your bed. But let's be honest, you'll probably still find a way to snooze it. If you need a foolproof way to start your mornings the right way, Ruggy ensures that you're up and moving, making oversleeping a thing of the past. The Thick Q60 by Height is a powerful and eye-catching water cooling system made for serious PC builders and gamers. Height is known for making top-quality PC parts, and this cooler is no exception. What makes the Thick Q60 stand out is its large 5-inch display, which is mounted outside the case instead of inside. This screen shows your PC's stats in real time and adds a futuristic touch to your setup. But the cool design doesn't stop there. The system uses a thick 52mm aluminum radiator that helps keep your computer cool during gaming, streaming, or heavy work. The cooling liquid moves through strong CIR polymer tubes, which are wrapped in tough nylon sleeves for both protection and style. The Thick Q60 runs on a closed-loop system, so it's easy to manage and very efficient. It's built to work smoothly with AMD's latest AM5 socket, making it a great choice for modern PC builds. Timer's Sled Gen 2 Riot 3. The Timer's Sled Gen 2 Riot 3 is a next-level snow bike system built for thrill seekers who love the excitement of motocross and the freedom of snow riding. It turns your regular dirt bike into a snow-crushing machine, giving you the power and control to ride confidently through deep snow, icy trails, and rugged winter terrain. With a cutting-edge 3-inch track and high-performance suspension, the Riot 3 offers excellent grip and smooth handling. Whether you're carving turns in fresh powder or climbing steep hills, this system is designed to deliver a fast, stable, and responsive ride. It's built for riders who want both speed and precision in the snow. What makes the Gen 2 Riot 3 so impressive is how easy it is to switch from dirt to snow. No need to buy a new bike. Just install the kit and you're ready to dominate winter adventures like never before. The Tom Electric scooter is a fantastic way to get around the city quickly and easily while helping the environment. This scooter is powered by a strong electric motor that gives you smooth rides and good speed, perfect for daily commuting or running errands. Its lightweight and foldable design make it super easy to carry and store, so you can take it on public transport or tuck it away at home without any hassle. The battery lasts long enough to cover most trips, so you don't have to stop and recharge often. With comfortable tires and a reliable braking system, the Tom scooter keeps your ride safe and steady, even on rough roads. It's built to be both stylish and practical, making it a great choice for people who want to travel smart and eco-friendly. Whether you're going to work, school, or just exploring your neighborhood, the Tom electric scooter makes your ride fun, easy, and green. It's a perfect mix of convenience, speed, and sustainability for today's busy urban life. Toyota Tundra Crewmax. The Toyota Tundra Crewmax is a powerful and stylish truck built for people who need serious strength and comfort in one package. With its bold design and a mighty 5.7-liter V8 engine producing 381 horsepower, this truck is ready to handle anything, whether it's towing up to 10,200 pounds or cruising through tough terrain. It's a reliable choice for work, adventure, or daily driving. Inside, the Crewmax offers a spacious and refined cabin packed with modern features. Passengers will love the roomy back seat with plenty of legroom, making long drives more enjoyable. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected and entertained on the go. Everything is designed to be easy to use and built with high-quality materials for a premium feel. Starting at around $40,000, the Tundra Crewmax isn't just a pickup, it's a statement of strength. USFA Zip 22, a weird but fascinating pocket pistol. The USFA Zip .22 is a small, lightweight pistol that looks like it came from a sci-fi movie. Built for .22 LR cartridges, it featured a unique bullpup design and lots of customization options. While the pistol wasn't very reliable and failed to impress in the market, its creative engineering makes it an interesting firearm worth talking about. One of its most unusual features is how it reloads. Instead of a standard slide or bolt, it has two cocking levers above the barrel. The first, called the zip load, pulls the first round from the magazine and loads it into the chamber. The second, known as the zip restrike, lets you recock the firing pin without removing the bullet, useful if a round fails to fire. The Zip 22 weighs only about 1 pound and is just 7.3 inches long, making it super compact and easy to carry. Van Ram Easy Sport Small. The Van Ram Easy Sport Small is a smart and fun tricycle made just for kids who need extra support while riding. It's perfect for children who may struggle with balance or find regular bikes difficult. With 3 wheels for stability and a low step-through frame, it's super easy to get on and off. The comfy reclining seat with back support keeps riders safe and relaxed, making every trip enjoyable. Its special frame and adjustable parts mean it can grow with your child, offering a long-lasting ride that adapts to their needs. One of the best features is the optional electric motor, which gives an extra boost when pedaling gets tough, great for longer rides without getting too tired. Whether it's for play, exercise, or getting around, this trike gives kids more freedom and confidence to explore. It's built strong and designed with care, so families can trust it for years. Vaultec LifePod. The Vaultec LifePod is a small but super strong safe built for people who love traveling and outdoor adventures. Despite its compact size, it can hold all your important stuff like keys, documents, smartphones, and even weapons if you need to store them safely. What makes the LifePod stand out is its incredible toughness. It can handle the weight of a car without breaking. Plus, if it ever falls into water, it floats and keeps everything inside completely dry. This makes it perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor trip. There are two main models, the LifePod 1.0, which uses a simple touchcode keypad, and the LifePod 2.0, which adds even more security with fingerprint access so only you can open it. The 1.0 model costs about $110, while the 2.0 is a bit pricier but offers extra peace of mind. If you want to keep your valuables safe, dry, and always close by without carrying a big heavy safe, Virgin Hyperloop, the future of super-fast travel. Imagine traveling between cities in just minutes. That's what the Virgin Hyperloop promises. This amazing new transport uses special pods that move through tubes with almost no air inside. Because there's hardly any air resistance, these pods can reach lightning-fast speeds of up to 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's way faster than airplanes or trains today. Each pod can fit about 28 passengers comfortably, and in the future, they might carry cargo too. The system uses magnetic levitation, which means the pods float above the track, and electric power, making it very energy efficient and good for the environment. Virgin Hyperloop wants to change how we travel by making trips super quick and smooth, helping people get to their destinations faster than ever before. Volanaut Air Bike. Volanaut Air Bike is an amazing flying bike that gives you the best of both worlds, the freedom of riding a bike and the excitement of flying. It's made with light but strong materials and uses powerful rotors to lift you up smoothly into the air. You can take off straight up like a helicopter and then fly around easily, making it perfect for anyone who loves adventure. The controls are simple, so even if you've never flown before, you can quickly learn and enjoy the ride. This electric-powered air bike is also quiet and good for the environment, so you get a fun flight without noise or pollution. Whether you want to explore new places from above or just feel the thrill of flying, Volanaut Air Bike makes it possible. It's a cool, futuristic way to travel that's perfect for thrill seekers and anyone who loves trying new technology. If you've ever dreamed of flying like a bird while still having the freedom of a bike, this is the perfect gadget for you. Waterlight. Waterlight is a smart and eco-friendly lamp made for outdoor lovers, campers, and anyone who needs reliable light in tough situations. What makes it so unique? It runs on salt water. Just pour in half a liter of seawater, or even tap water with some salt. And this amazing lamp will light up for up to 45 days without needing batteries or electricity. It's a perfect backup for power outages, road trips, or off-grid adventures. But it's not just a lamp. Waterlight also works as a power bank, letting you charge small gadgets like phones or flashlights. It's built to last, with a lifespan of 5,600 hours, making it a dependable tool for long-term use. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or just preparing for an emergency at home, this device is both practical and efficient. With a starting price of only $60, Waterlight offers a great balance of innovation and affordability. The WE Colt 25 is a lightweight and compact airsoft pistol that weighs just 430 grams, making it easy to carry in your pocket or gear bag.